Signal's coming from down there. Way down.
33rd's dangling a long line. Time to reel it in.
You know this is a trap.
Absolutely. The whole city's gone crazy. Daniels might be our only hope of sorting this mess out.
Water, please. First tell me why you made contact with the local population. What? I don't know what you mean.
Follow me.
Sounds like Agent Daniels is enjoying his stay in Camp Truth. I don't care what anyone says. Dubai is still the #1 vacation destination for company men worldwide.
Get out of the way!
Bradley, you got any gum?
Here you go. Last piece.
I don't want to take your last piece, dude.
Take it. Stole it off the fence anyway.
Ah, don't fuck that guy.
No kidding.
Major, we just received word from the tower.
Go ahead, Corporal.
Operation Reclamation has suffered max casualties.
Hold your fire
Agent
until I give the
Castellan, no
word.
longer a threat. Remaining Grey Fox members in vicinity. Be prepared.
What about the civilians? Did we get them out in time?
Some. 30, maybe 40. We don't know yet.
God damn it. Forgive them, for they know not what they
Okay,
do.
put him
What
down.
was that, sir?
Nothing, Corporal. Build the tower we were...
We need a medic!
Enemy on the move!
Don't lose them!
Put your goddamn head down!
Hostile with a shotgun coming our way! Mark yourselves! Tango in the open! Try to be a hero!
Hey, Bradley, you got any gum?
Here you go. Last piece.
I don't want to take your last piece, dude.
Take it. Stole it off the Benson anyway.
Major, we just received word from the tower.
Go ahead, Corporal.
Operation Reclamation has suffered max casualties.
Hold your fire
Agent
until I give the
Castellan, no
word.
longer a threat. Remaining Grey Fox members in vicinity. Be prepared.
What about the civilians? Did we get them out in time?
Some. 30, maybe 40. We don't know yet.
God damn it. Forgive them, for they know not what they do.
Hostile with a shotgun coming our way! Nancy! Watch yourselves!
One down!
Stand your ground! On fire team! Get ready! Fucking hell! Kill him! Fucking kill him!
One in the open! Hostile down!
Shoot a storm in the stairs! Bang out!
Reloading! Cover me!
Bottom floor is swarming with tangos! Move! Enemy down!
Enemy on the move! Moving out!
He's done!
He's exposed! Take him down! Shit, man, we're taking some heavy fire here! Got a moving target! Shotgunner on the field!
Flash out!
Bradley, you got any gum?
Here you go. Last piece.
I don't want to take your last piece, dude.
Take it. Stole it off of Benson anyway.
Major, we just received word from the tower.
Go ahead, Corporal.
Operation Reclamation has suffered max casualties.
Hold your fire
Agent
until I
Castellan
give the
no
word.
longer a threat. Remaining Gray Fox members in vicinity. Be prepared.
What about the civilians? Did we get them out in time?
Some. 30, maybe
Okay,
40.
put
We
them
don't know
down.
yet.
God.
Heads up! Contact! Target's getting antsy!
Enemies moving! We're dropping like flies out here! Fucking hell!
Hostile with a shotgun coming our way! Watch yourselves!
Shoot us! Storm in the stairs!
Hey, Bradley, you got any gum?
Here you go. Last piece.
I don't want to take your last piece, dude.
Take it. Stole it off of Benson.
Major, we just received word from the tower.
Go ahead, Corporal.
Operation Reclamation has suffered max casualties.
Hold your fire
Agent
until I give the
Castellan no
word.
longer a threat. Remaining Gray Fox members in vicinity. Be prepared.
What about the
Okay,
civilians?
put 'em down.
Did we get them out in time?
Some. 30.
Enemy in sight!
Reinforcements incoming! Stand your ground!
Threat! Eliminated! Shoot us! Storm in the stairs!
Hostile with a shotgun
Damn it, I'm
coming
out.
our way! Watch yourselves! I see him moving! Look out! And stay there!
Bottom floor is swarming with tangos! Move!
They're upstairs! Get up! What are they doing up there? Taking too long. This isn't good.
Enemy down!
On the move! Fucking watch it! Watch it! Shotgun headed our way! And now open Tango trying to move! And stay down!
Concentrate fire!
Tango down for the count!
Target neutralized!
He's by the railing!
Moving out! Eyes wide! Hostile with a shotgun!
He's done!
Enemy on the move!
This is fucking insane.
I don't know. Someone's obviously calling the shots around here.
It's gotta be the guy on the radio.
Shit. You think?
It would explain why Dubai's gone batshit.
Good point.
Hold up! We got snipers.
Sniper rifle here. Could be useful.
Out tactical.
They're waiting for us. If we cross now, we're dead.
Start us off, Hugo.
Copy. I'll get him.
Heads up, cut! More snipers inbound on the rooftop! Keep your fucking head down! Huh. Walker, what are you doing? Get back into cover! Walker, what are you doing? Get back into cover!
Keep an eye out!
I think we're clear. Let's move out, but keep your eyes peeled. Let's cross over. Move fast, stay low.
Shit! Incoming helo!
I hear it.
She's a big bitch, ain't she? Yeah, and her friends know exactly where we are.
Get ready. They're headed right for us.
More grunts headed our way! Hostile moving! Heads up! He's exposed! We're getting chewed up here! Tango, down!
Priority target! Focus on him!
Alright, I got him! Frag out! He's down!
Got one!
He's coming out of cover! Got him moving too! Shotgunner! He's moving up! Push him back! Hostile in the open! On the
Target neutralized! Break's over! Let's move!
Let's cross over. Move fast, stay low.
Shit! Incoming helo!
I hear it.
She's a big bitch, ain't she?
Yeah, and her friends know exactly where we are.
Get ready. They're headed right for us.
More grunts headed our way! Enemy on the move!
Target neutralized!
He's exposed! Take him down! Got one! Eyes wide! Hostile with a shotgun! Get down! Get down! Swapping mags! Adios!
Got one!
Push him back! On the move!
Lay down some cover fire! Down, up, and out!
Heads up! Tango trying to move! Watch it! Shotgunner coming in! Get in the open! Tango down! Another wave of reinforcements inbound!
Hostile down!
Repent down! Take him out! You got a man down! Target's getting antsy!
Let's cross over. Move fast, stay low.
Shit! Incoming helo!
I hear it.
She's a big bitch, ain't she?
Yeah, and her friends know exactly where we are.
Get ready. They're headed right for us.
More grunts headed our way! Heads up! Tango trying to move!
He's done!
Hostile, he's down! We need to take cover! Adams is hurt! Tango in the open! Try to be...
Let's cross over. Move fast, stay low.
Shit! Incoming helo!
I hear it.
She's a big bitch, ain't she?
Yeah, and her friends know exactly where we are.
Get ready. They're headed right for us.
More grunts headed our way! Hostile moving! Heads up!
Threat eliminated!
He's exposed! We're getting chewed up here!
Throwing flashbang!
Target down!
Grenade out! Got one!
Push him back! I see him moving! Watch out! Shotgunner coming in!
Let's cross over. Move fast, stay low.
Shit! Incoming helo!
I hear it.
She's a big bitch, ain't she?
Yeah, and her friends know exactly where we are.
Get ready. They're headed right for us.
More grunts headed our way! Target's getting antsy!
Tango
Taking
down!
heavy fire! Hostile in the open!
I'm
Shotgunner,
reloading!
he's moving up! Push him back! On the move! I see him moving! Yeah! Look out!
Enemy down!
Hostile coming out of cover!
Let's cross over. Move fast, stay low.
Shit! Incoming helo!
I hear it.
She's a big bitch, ain't she?
Yeah, and her friends know exactly where we are.
Get ready. They're headed right for us.
More grunts headed our way! Enemy on the move!
Enemy down!
Can't go in the open! Sun's too hot!
Cover me! I'm reloading!
Watch it! Shotgun headed our way!
We're clear.
Then we keep moving.
How many men did you bring here, Agent Daniels?
No, I'm done answering questions. You have to let me speak to Conrad.
Oh, really?
How long you think Daniels can hold out?
Not much longer.
One down!
Watch out for that runner! He's going for you! He's got a knife! Don't let him reach you! Enemy on the move! Hostile coming out of cover! Watch it! Shotgun headed our way! Hostile! He's down!
He's done!
Moving out! Watch out! Crazy watch out! With a close expert! Income repel team coming in at 12 o'clock!
Jesus, that was close.
Hostile down! Target's getting antsy! Sniper on the balcony, left side. Heads up, shotgun, cover for us! Tango closing in!
Hostile down!
Hostile in the open! Shit, these guys aren't letting up! I see him moving! Target down! Here I go! Swapping mags! Adios!
Enemy down!
That's all of them, for now.
Holy shit. Did you guys see that psycho with the knife?
Yeah, it's pretty damn hard to miss. Keep an eye out for anyone like a guy like that to fuck you up.
All right, let's hurry up then. We need to find Daniels before the 33rd decide he isn't worth the trouble. Come on, through the building.
Aren't the 33rd supposed to be heroes? This torture sounds a bit extreme.
Yeah, well, with the radio man running the show, it's not that hard to believe.
How you figure?
I actually think I met him once, in Kabul. He was a reporter traveling with the 33rd. Weird guy. Guy you didn't want loose in a firefight. Never spoke to him, but the colonel trusted him completely. Didn't figure out why. Looks like that trust finally caught up with him.
So what makes you think he's the same guy?
Oh, it's his voice. You don't forget a voice like that.
Signal's still shit. We gotta go further down.
Let's find a way out of here.
Door up ahead. Gotta be the exit.
Ow. Adams, Lugo, do you read? Great. No signal.
Man out, sweep the area. He's down here somewhere.
It just keeps getting better. Okay, I need to find a rifle fast.
Point in!
Adams, Lugo, do you read? Great. No signal.
Man out, sweep the area.
It just keeps getting better.
Get your motherfucking
Fast.
casualties! Move on my orders! South of 3! Out there! I need backup! Move your ass! Stand your ground! There! Fire! Engaging!
Adams, Lugo, do you read? Great. It just keeps getting better. Find a rifle fast.
Casualties! Moving up! Fire out well!
Yeah.
You okay?
Do I sound okay? Get your asses down here!
On our way.
Adams, Lugo, do you read? Great. No signal. It just keeps getting better. Okay, I need to find a weapon fast. Adams, Lugo, do you read? Great. It just keeps getting better. Find a weapon fast.
Walker, you read me?
Yeah.
You okay?
Do I sound okay? Get your asses down here!
On our way.
Adams, Lugo, do you read? signal.
Get your motherfucking
Just keeps getting better. Okay, I need to find a rifle fast.
reload! Fuck down there! We need heal him down!
Walker, you read me?
Yeah!
You okay?
This is Alpha 3!
Do I sound okay? Get your asses down here!
On our way.
Spread out and take the perimeter! Everybody motherfucking spread Yes! Orders received! Fucking die! Watch my back! Get to cover! Find us cover! Don't let up! Hold the line!
Adams, Lugo, do you read? Great. No signal. It just keeps getting better. Find a way out fast.
Walker, you read me?
Yeah!
Get the fuck down
Okay?
Do I sound okay? Get your asses down here!
On our way.
Adams, Lugo, do you read? Great. No signal. It just keeps getting better. Adams, Lugo, do you read? Great. No signal. It just keeps getting better. Fast.
Walker, you read me?
Yeah!
You okay?
Do I sound okay? Get your asses down here!
On our way.
Come on, come on!
Let's go! Fucking run! I'm going in.
Adams, Lugo, do you read?